Hello and welcome to all of the students. Students, today we have to see about the diazonium coupling reaction. Student, in the name of the reaction, you can see that diazo word is used. Diazo means the compound which contain two nitrogen atom in their structure. This azo linkage is one of the most important linkage that plays the most important role in coupling reaction, and the compounds formed by diazo coupling reaction are the azo compounds which are used as azodides. This azo coupling reaction is one of the aromatic electrophilic substitution type of the reaction, in which there is formation of azo coupling by the reaction between diazonium compound and aromatic compound that produces azo compound. In this reaction, aryl diazonium cation acts as an electrophile and activated arene, that means which are orthopara directing, they acts as a nucleophile. That means this is one of the most important thing of the reaction is that aryl diazonium cation which are electrophile, they combines with activated arenes which acts as a nucleophile. Both these compound form azodides. In this reaction, the compounds like aniline and phenol, which contain strong electron donating group like OH, NH2. Instead of NH2, we can see here NR2, where the value of R may be H or CS3. So the aniline and phenol, which contain electron donating groups like OH and NR2, that is NH2, which are orthopara directing groups to the benzene ring, can undergo this reaction with diazonium ion. A coupling reaction is one of the reaction in which two aryl rings are joined by an azo group, that is NN linkage. This coupling reaction occurs mainly at the para position of the orthopara director. Aniline, which acts as here substrate for the formation of diazonium ion. Firstly, in every coupling reaction or diazo coupling reaction, firstly there is formation of diazonium ion which acts as a substrate for the coupling reaction. And you know the reaction is electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Now generally let us see how the reaction takes place. Diazonium ion here is shown, where the value of that reacts with the other compound which is orthopara directing, which contain Y as a electron donating group. It activates the aromatic ring orthopara directing. Now here you can see that this diazonium salt combines with this orthopara directing compound to form azo compound. During this joining, you can see that this nitrogen of diazonium ion get combined with the carbon of the other compound at para position. That means hydrogen of para position is given out and the nitrogen of that diazonium ion get joined to the carbon of other compound at para position. This para position is according to the electron donating group present in this compound. In such a way, there is formation of this linkage, azo linkage. Here again the value of Y, it may be OH or NH2 or NR2. Now let us see the examples of the diazonium coupling reaction, in which the first is formation of phenol orange azodide, that is known as para-hydroxy azobenzene. In this reaction you can see that this benzene diazonium chloride mostly formed from aniline, NaNO2 and HCl. This benzene diazonium chloride with this phenol. Now this phenol, this is the activated para position according to the electron donating OH group. The H from para position and Cl from this diazonium group given out, and this nitrogen get joined with the para position of the phenol like this. In such a way here, while joining nitrogen with carbon, para position carbon of phenol, the anion triple bond from diazonium salt get converted into double bond. In such a way, there is formation of para-hydroxy azobenzene, which is orange color dry. Next, let us see the preparation of aniline yellow by diazonium coupling reaction. In this reaction, you can see that benzene diazonium chloride with aniline in the similar manner gives aniline yellow. The formation of this aniline yellow and the formation of this phenol orange, both the reactions are carried out in the similar ways. Now here the coupling with phenols we already see here how benzene diazonium chloride with phenol gives the azo compound, but here another example is there. We can see here this naphthalene 2-ol, that means this is the beta naphthol. This beta naphthol with diazonium ion here. Let us see how the reaction takes place. In this case, this is electron donating OH group, but here it activates the ortho position. That means coupling of the nitrogen takes place at the ortho carbon according to the electron donating OH group. In such a way, there is formation of red azo compound. In such a way, in this coupling reaction, benzene diazonium ion with beta naphthol gives rise to the formation of red colored azo compound. In this reaction, you can also write benzene diazonium chloride here. You can attach Cl to this. Now hydrogen from here, it will given out HCl is formed and nitrogen get bonded with carbon of the ortho position according to the OH group present in beta naphthol. This is the similar reaction how beta naphthol with phenyl diazonium electrophile produces intense orange red dye. The reaction is similar, but in this reaction you can see that in the previous reaction the ortho position was activated, but in this reaction you can see that this benzene diazonium ion get attaches to the para position in beta naphthol according to the OH. Now here this para position carbon is get bonded with this nitrogen, which gives rise to the formation of this one intense orange red dye compound. Now in this reaction in diazo coupling, in the similar way the reaction takes place. Here again electron donating group, this electron donating group activates para position and the nitrogen get attached to this para carbon atom by converting nitrogen triple bond into double bond again. The next is the formation of para dimethyl amino azobenzene, which is yellow colored dye substance or yellow colored azo compound. In this case benzene diazonium bisulfate salt with NN dimethyl aniline gives rise to the formation of para dimethyl amino azobenzene. This reaction also takes place in the similar way. You can see here this is benzene diazonium bisulfate, this is NN dimethyl aniline. Here NCH3CH3, it is electron donating group and it activates the para position here. So with the help of this nitrogen, it get bonded to the carbon at para position to form para dimethyl amino azobenzene. Now how the coupling takes place I already told you, but at the below of the screen you can see that there is formation of methyl orange, NN dimethyl aniline again with diazonium ion in the similar way as previous gives rise to the formation of methyl orange. To students, this is one of the most important reaction of formation of methyl orange. In the next, let us see in detail that NN dimethyl aniline with diazonium salt or diazonium ion. In the similar way, the nitrogen of diazonium group combines with carbon of the carbon present at para position of NN dimethyl aniline. The coupling takes place at the para position which gives rise to the formation of this methyl orange sodium salt, which is yellow in color. But you can see that here, this one, this is also the sodium salt, but you can see if we acidify this methyl orange, then it will get converted into this one. This is the methyl orange. After acidifying, you can see that here addition of hydrogen takes place to the nitrogen. So in such a way, the methyl orange is formed by diazonium coupling reaction from diazonium salt and NN dimethyl aniline. You know, methyl orange, it is used as a indicator in volumetric analysis. Now again, one of the most important thing is formation of pigment yellow 12. This formation takes place by using the reaction between diazotized aromatic diamine, the diazotized aromatic diamine, which are the derivative of benzidine, with coupling component typically which is derivative of acetanilide. Now diazotized aromatic diamine means, you can see here, this one is diazotized compound which is known as diazotized aromatic diamine, and another is derivative is acetanilide. The derivative of acetanilide means this one. Both of these compounds combines with each other, but while combining, you can see there this compound is used in 2 moles, this is in 1 mole ratio, 2:1 mole ratio is used. Now in this case, while joining, this one is written like this. And let us see now how it is joined. While joining, you can see that the nitrogen from this N and the nitrogen from this N2 diazonium group get joined with this carbon atom. You can see here, then this nitrogen from this N2 get joined with this carbon atom, and again nitrogen from here get joined with this carbon atom. In such a way, coupling takes place between nitrogen and carbon, which gives rise to the formation of pigment yellow 12, which is known as diarylide pigment. In simple, let us see in one step how the mechanism takes place. Actually, in this mechanism, you can see that this is the diazonium salt. This Cl is from diazonium salt. Benzene diazonium chloride is considered here. And this is one of the other combining compound. This is the para position or activated para position according to the electron donating group. Now this nitrogen will get attached to the para position, and there is formation of linkage like this. Now if cis type of azo-dye is obtained, then it will be like this, joining will be like this, and if trans is obtained, the joining will be like this, or appearance will be like this, but joining takes place in the similar way between nitrogen and para carbon of the compound. In such a way, students, diazonium coupling reaction takes place. It produces the azo dyes of different colors during the formation of product of the reaction, and the products formed have different colors. Therefore, this reaction is one of the most useful reaction that is known as diazonium coupling reaction. So all of you, please like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the latest update videos.